The second time in a week I'm after breaking a rod. Welcome along to another waterway in Ireland. I'm out here in the late afternoon and I have my new 6-foot rod with me, 5.5 foot rod. I got size 2000 reel and I got a size 1 mep. So we got the trusty copper. Copper is by far the most productive this season. There we go. Beautiful colours, lovely. Look at him. Magnificent. Put your back, buddy. Best of luck. There you go. Yeah, a little bit of a shallower pool here, I think it looks like. Still not very sheltered from that wind, but let's see, we give a few casts up there. There we go, little guy. No need for the net. Oh. You only got the one hook, it's barely in him. Perfectly formed tiny trout. Let him back. Very shallow on the left up ahead of us, but we'll do a few casts there. I did not want to do that. Jesus. It's the second time in a week I'm after breaking a rod. Going to try to do my MacGyver job again on this. So I'm going to use this twig as a splint. And I've got some plaster tape in my bag, in my fishing jacket. There's the plaster tape. I'll just tape it onto this first section first. Okay, that does not look too bad. We will try the final eyes now and get a spinner on and hope this holds up for the rest of our journey here for this evening. Can't believe this for the second time in a week, but what can you do? You just gotta keep on keeping on. We got the copper size one back on here. Casting is probably going to be difficult, but let's give it a go. There we go. Oh, he got off, but signs of life finally. In this little pocket here to try. There we go, finally. See if we keep him on this time. That's an average guy, nice guy, actually the best of the day, even though he's not that big, but delighted to get him now. Finally. Got kind of one hook there, we get it out. Lovely colours on this guy. Look at him, look at him. Beautiful. We waited for him. Not big, but the best so far today, so we'll take him. There we got it out. Give another few casts. There we go. Better fish. And he's lively. Oh, it seemed like a better one. He's slightly better. I thought he was a lot better. And there we go. I'll have a quick look at him before we let him go. Look at him. Oh, he's eager to get back. He's very slippy. We'll let him go. Okay, he wanted to get back. He didn't want to be on camera. Camera shy. So he didn't cast far to catch that guy. It was getting pretty frustrating there, having broken the rod and not seeing fish and getting caught in trees again. And then you catch a couple of fish and everything's alright with the world again. So happy out with my gammy rod that I just bought on Friday and broke on Wednesday. But caught 2 fish, so I'm happy. There we go. Oh, nice fish is gone, is he? Yeah. Oh. He was coming towards me, so it didn't feel so big. It's just when he broke the surface there, he looked like a pretty significant fish. Call that the last cast. Bit of a roller coaster of a session. We're happy with the conditions. I'm delighted to see more water on the river finally, but got 2 little ones early on and then snapped the rod. Managed to get 2 more fish afterwards, which was good, but there was a lot of blanks in between. It wasn't really worth fishing a lot of the spots, not being able to cast properly with the rod, but c'est la vie. We missed a lovely one near the end, so I'm just rowing that. That's the one I'll be thinking about until I get back out again, but that's all part of the fun of it. So again, always just delighted to get out amongst this. Until the next day, I'll be back again very, very soon on another lovely bit of water somewhere in Ireland. Good luck.